আমি বাংলাদেশ বাবুর্চি আমি মনে করি খাবারটা খুব সুস্বাদু সবাই একসাথে মজা করে খাবো Assalamu alaikum. So we will go Mawa and I will try Ilsa fish, the most famous fish foods in Bangladesh. I really want to try because I really love fish. So let's go. Let's check. Let's go. Chalo. Chalo. Yeah. Wow. Come on. Finally I arrived and this place is full with smell of fish. It is. They want me to go?
Yeah, they want you to go there. This is like a battle.
Battle.
Yes.
Let's go to find the fish.
How is it? Is it big? It's huge.
This is from the river.
mama. Let's say this.
Wow, it's so big.
So do you like it?
Wow, I love this.
What about it?
Wow.
বড় ভাই কি স্যার আঙ্গুর উপরে রাগ হইছেন আপনি
আরে রাখ
আপনার মনে আঙ্গুর উপরে রাগ হইছে
না না না
না আসলে না
Am I angry with him because I came here once and I never came back?
No way, no way. Perfect.
썸네일 찍는 거 아닌데.
Whoa.
How do you feel?
It's very interesting.
Very interesting.
It's very similar with the Doryangjin Susanshijang in Korea because they sell the fish in live. It's very similar system. Good. Very good. Wow. Interesting.
Can I take a picture with you?
Daud Kim. What's the reason that they foreign? What's the reason?
Because you're beautiful, bro.
Oh,
Because you're handsome.
Are you ready to cook?
I'm so ready. I'm so into it.
The sous chef, huh?
Exactly.
Ah,
So exciting.
the master chef. Okay, let's go. You have to put some oil in. Like he's gonna put this oil.
Oh.
Now mix it up. Yeah.
আমি Bangladeshi বাবুর্চি বাবুর্চি
You're the head babuchi.
বাবুর্চি
Wow, it smells so good.
smells really fresh and looks so delicious. I think this picture should be delicious. It will be delicious. Porta বানাই ইলিশ মাছে লেজ ভর্তা অনেক মজা ইলিশ মাছের ভর্তা ইলিশ মাছের ভর্তা
So they take out the bones.
the bones because this itch your necks so
You know, for me, this is the most tastiest part of the fish. So good.
I've never ever tried.
He's gonna make
this
it
kind of
with
food.
onions, and it's gonna be so spicy. And when you like have it with the mustard oil, it's gonna be beautiful.
Okay, I'm so expecting now. ইলিশ মাছ ভাজা লেজ ভর্তা সালাদ বেগুন ভাজা চিংড়ি ভুনা
I think it's nearly more of a Bangladeshi than a Korean now.
আমি আজকে প্রথম বাংলাদেশ খাবার রান্না করেছি আমি বাংলাদেশ বাবুর্চি আমি মনে করি খাবারটা খুব সুস্বাদু সবাই একসাথে মজা করে খাবো Let's try. Cool. So I will give you the foods that I made.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The rice is really hot. গরম গরম 지금 만들었어.
গরম রাইস গরম ভাত সাথে ইলিশ ভাজা খেতে মজা
Okay. A lot of bones. Be careful.
Okay, thanks. Okay, bismillah.
Bismillah.
good. It's good.
It's good. Very juicy
Very delicious.
and tender too.
Very tender.
বেগুন ভাজা
বেগুন ভাজা. 와, বেগুন ভাজা. 와우. 오, 장난 아니다 이거. 가지. 베이컨. Oh, it's very good. It's so soft. It's melting in your mouth.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Really good.
so good. And I really wanted to try this. It looks really good. It's egg, right?
Yes.
So big.
It's really tasty. You're gonna get addicted to it.
Really?
Yeah. In a good.
Wow. Egg is full. So full.
আন করে
So good.
It's good.
It's so good.
রাফসানটা অনেকটা চিংড়ি উঠে
চিংড়ি?
উঠে
It's good. Let's put it.
বাংলায়
Yes, this is the
really
next
good.
one.
This best sauce with this fish.
Take this. This is chingri.
Oh, it's
Chingri buna, and this is the
Chingri
buna. The buna is the gravy.
Oh.
You want some? Take the first. You take this thing off. This thing, like you take it like this, and you break the shell.
Chef.
Yes.
Gurum.
Good. But it's so good, man. Yeah, it's really hot. Oh, you're an expert, man. Take some of the gravy over here, from here. Put it in your rice and mix it like this.
Exactly.
Mix. Now take some chingri. Take the mixed rice and now put it in your mouth.
Okay. Wow.
It's good, right?
It's good.
Yeah.
It's really good with the rice. It's really similar with Korean culture because Korean always eat with rice.
Really?
Some food. Yeah, it's very same. The same. The shape of the rice is a bit different, but still.
In Korea, you guys eat sticky rice. No.
Oh yes,
Sticky?
rice.
Oh, okay. Which one are you liking the most?
I think for me,
ডিম ভাজা
Dimbaja.
dimbaja.
অনেক মজা সব
This
থেকে
is amazing. Okay. And with fish, it's good. And I also like the sauce and the mix with rice.
Oh.
10 out of 10.
Now mix it and smell it. It's so good. The
Wow.
fragrance from the lemons.
Oh, lento. Oh, it's so good.
Yeah.
So good.
Beda.
진짜 맛있어.
Onik sushadu.
Shisadu, really. Wow, so good. It's worth it to come here.
What the 2-hour drive?
2 hours drive. 2 hours is nothing. 2 hours, yeah, it's nothing. It's nothing. আমার বাংলাদেশি খাবার অনেক ভালো লাগছে এবং আমি নিজেও খুব ভালো রান্না করেছি আমি আসলে বাংলাদেশি বাবুর্চি
ওকে